In this video, we will learn how to retrieve data from Firebase Realtime database. Before getting the data, we will send 10 data to Firebase. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I send 10 data to Firebase Realtime database. I can use these codes to send data. I will send the data list to the database with the for loop. I create a separate random number for each member. I send each member to the database with the set function. Let's check the data in order. I am creating a new code file. I send the functions and keys required to use the real-time database to the other file. I don't need the random library for now. I am creating a variable. I can access all keys using the get function. The employees variable is actually a list. But if we print it, it does not have a readable format. We can access readable data by using the val function. Using a for loop, we can print all the data sequentially to the console. When sending the data to the database, we created a random number for each of them. We can also reach these numbers by using the key function. You can compare each of them with the data in the database. We can also access certain information with the val function. For example, let's access the age information. Let's try to access the name information. Let's access the surname information. In the next video, we will create a GUI application to retrieve data from the database. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.